Well, my name is Bautista, and I'm the Legal Support and Strategy Director here at Casa Cornelia Law Center. I'm also an adjunct professor at California Western School of Law. Being the child of immigrant parents really shaped the way I view myself in the world. I was always taught that I have something of value and I have a purpose, and that I need to find that out for myself. My reason for going to law school wasn't necessarily to become a lawyer. My reason for going to law school was to find out how our legal system works so that those who needed support and needed to have a voice, I would be able to have better tools and understanding at my disposal, no matter what I decided to do with that law degree. In the course of doing internships in the family court and then doing my externship in San Francisco, which was an agency that was helping women get out of prostitution, find alternative ways to thrive. That really opened my eyes to how complicated everything really is, and that I can't really look at things in a very binary way. Like, there's a lot of things that influence how someone might be in a very vulnerable situation. At that point, that's what led me to a career focused on gender-based violence cases in the space of human rights, immigration, law. I did that, like a lot of people did a major change, and I did that during the pandemic. So I left the direct practice, had to close up the program I was doing at another nonprofit, and I found this opportunity. And I've worked alongside Casa Cornelia for a long time, for most of my career, doing a lot of collaborative work. But this was a role that seemed really interesting to me because it wasn't to oversee the legal programs, but rather to oversee the support programs, which involves more outward-facing work. I would want my legacy to be that I was someone that was always passionate about inspiring others, in particular young women. I would want to be known as someone who was kind and caring and empathetic and really cared about inspiring others to reach their goals. I think it's a great honor. I mean, it's something that obviously my whole career and my whole focus has been on empowering women. Being inducted for the activist category, because as I said earlier, I didn't really see myself as in the traditional sense of an activist, but I realized that my work really was as an activist, because I was doing it through writing, through contemplating, through engaging with people in many different circles, in many different spaces, and women of all ages, to really collectively find our strength and speak our truth.